Absolutely. So let's talk about that SEC decision, because Shanali, that's what we've all been counting down to.
Bitcoin ETF.
Bitcoin ETF.
Spot Bitcoin ETF.
It's really happening.
We're getting close.
It took 10 years to get here.
Expectation is almost at 90% that we are going to get an approval.
Can drive significant inflows.
Huge buying pressure.
What if this doesn't happen?
Approval is really bullish for the overall sentiment in the market.
Price catalyst to get Bitcoin over 100,000 by the end of the year.
If Bitcoin rallies, I'm willing to sit on the sidelines.
Some of these ETFs will trade at a premium.
The bigger question is, when does it go live?
It's interesting to see what's going to happen.
The crypto community will be happy just getting the Bitcoin win out the door for the ETF.
Joining us now with more is someone who has been out front on this conversation. James Safer, tomorrow is the deadline when we could see this happening. But we've gotten some new S1 filings from a handful of these issuers today. Does that suggest anything could be delayed, or is that kind of par for the course with these things?
Yeah, I saw a few takes online and different people saying, oh no, maybe the SEC is going to delay because they're making the issuers do more last minute things. But let me be clear. They told these issuers to get their 19B4s in on Friday evening. Then they said we need another S1 amendment based on our comments in by 8 a.m. on Monday morning. And then on Monday after evening, around 6 p.m., 7 p.m., I don't know exactly when, there was rumors that they were sent back comments. And then they said, respond to our comments by 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. I mean, when have you known any government agency to be moving that quickly for something that they were planning on ultimately delaying? I mean, they are obviously working overtime. I know for a fact that people did work overnight to get these things submitted by that 10 a.m. deadline that the SEC likely set, because we saw everything file in from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. this morning, all of these issuers. Everyone's been up working hard to get to these deadlines that the SEC is setting in front of them. And it's looking like things are gearing up, like you said, for approval tomorrow, and we think listing on Thursday.